It's cold, it's wet, it's raining outside, and I don't have a heater in here. But let's do some brakes. So yeah, I'm out here. I don't know if you could hear, I don't know if you could see that. I have to go back and look, but that car was just down the road trying to do a burnout. It was like, it was like Taylor's car, but shitty. but yeah, so I've been putting this off because Josh and everybody wanted to come over and hang out while I did brakes. We did that with my car. I got them Brembos, you know, my TL. And I changed the brake pads on my Brembos on my TL. And they all come over and hung out, and it was a super fun time and all that. So we were gonna wait, but Taylor's car, it's gotten to the limit where it's like you can hear the brakes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out today, and then we're gonna hang out tomorrow. So I guess this will be kind of like a vlog, but also like kind of a how-to, like how to change your brakes or whatever. So just in case you need to know. So of course, first things first, you must take off the wheel. The lug nuts come off, wheel comes off. Be sure to jack up first. While I'm getting, my sockets and stuff, kind of let you know what's been going on. My lug nuts are a 19, by the way, 19 millimeter. And I'm working on a 2009 Honda Accord with the 2.4 liter. And I think it's an EX, maybe an LX, I can't remember. If you're wondering about the crappy impact, I'm like doing this simultaneously. If you're wondering about the Squatted Life video, we've been trying to do this video. And finally, it's gonna happen, finally. And it's gonna be just one dude because nobody wanted to do it. So everybody was up for it, and then now everybody's not up for it. So I'm not sure why. But we're talking to one guy, and we're gonna meet up hopefully tomorrow, and then we're going to, film the video. It's gonna be funny. We already filmed some of the clips, and we had to move on to different videos. And I know I haven't uploaded in a minute, but it's because we're working on so many videos at the same time that we're gonna have like a consistent upload time. And then while we having a consistent upload time, we'll have content being made as I'm uploading. So there will always be a video. Hopefully that goes as planned. And I'm also going to do shorts on YouTube, and instead of like going to TikTok and doing them, because we've thought really hard about this. I really want to stick with YouTube. And then we've got I'm trying to get some, microphones and stuff like that, so we can do like shop talk and stuff. The videos that we have planned are gonna be really good. It's just taking some time to get the equipment and to film the videos, and everybody be off work at the same time. So we're working on it though. We are working on it. You also want to, grab a ratchet just in case, or a bar. Depends on what you do. I'm going to use a ratchet and a jack handle as a cheater stick. So, yeah, I'm a mechanic. Oh, if you see golf balls, they're just going to be laying everywhere because apparently I'm a golfer now. Cheater pipe! Time for some Ugga Duggas. After you get said lug nuts loose, start jacking up car. And if you're wondering why I haven't been to the recent Alabama Gamblers, well, that's going to be in the new Shop Talk video deal that me and my friends are putting together. And it's going to be filmed in here. You know how it is. We're going to film it over there. Or we're gonna try, and we're gonna set up some cool stuff, and we're gonna actually do it right this time. It's not gonna be like a little, you know, just to sit around, and we're actually gonna talk about some stuff. It's gonna be really good. But yeah, that video will explain everything. So just like stay tuned for that. Now we'll take caliper, 2 bolt, the bolt here, undo bolt. Usually can flip up. And rotor looks, I mean, it don't look bad, but she does need a rotor. Got that Rock Auto stuff. They better be in here, bro. Oh my God. Look at that. It's Cody's Porsche. Oh my God. That's going on the fridge for sure. One thing I like to mention, like this is serious too, like before you start prying and trying to, you know, loosen, so you can pull the brake caliper up, compress the brake, you know, the piston. Before you start doing that, always pop your hood and loosen up the brake reservoir, because you don't want to blow your seals out of your caliper. Why is it so dusty under here? So yeah, just leave that cap off. V6, but it gets the job done, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I promise I don't have anything bad to say. I hope the lighting's good. I hope you're getting my good side. I don't have anything bad to say about the Alabama Gambler or anything, so nobody has to worry. But yeah, we don't go to the Alabama Gambler anymore. And like I said, I'll explain why in more detail in this video, upcoming video that we're gonna do with everybody, because the guys that went to the Gambler with me are gonna be here, so kind of help explain what happened, or you know, how we felt about it. So yeah, hopefully this sums up why I haven't been going to the Alabama Gamblers. I was going to go to the Florida one, but we couldn't get the cord done in time. We was going to drive from here to Florida and do the C2C Gambler, which I wanted to do so bad, but we couldn't get the cord done in time. So I ended up trading it for, man, I kind of wanted to leave this out of the video, but I'm trading it for a town car, and we're going to strip it, and it's going to be the next like deal where we actually drive it to the destination, do it, and drive it back. So that's going to be a video in itself. Back to brakes. All right, you just take those two 12mm bolts. You can leave one in and flip it up, but these are kind of hard to do. I forgot it's got that little screw type piston where you have to screw it in to collapse the piston. So sometimes it's easier to take these off, but you know, everybody does it differently. So see that thingy right there? I don't have the tool to actually do it, but I do have a big fat flathead that fits in there. So I've done these brakes before, back when we bought the car. So a big flathead will do it. You just basically twist it, and it'll collapse the piston in, or not collapse it, but you know, it'll bring the piston in instead of using like a brake tool to push the piston in. So yeah, there's that. And before you do anything, sometimes part places, and I've dealt with this a lot, being an automotive advisor at multiple shops, parts can be wrong. So always check, you know, your part, blah, 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 or your new part, and you kind of get it from there, just in case, because like I said, sometimes people send the wrong parts, and it happens all the time. I mean, honestly, it's just like a brand new car. All right. Got the caliper somewhat on. Go get the tool that spins this thing in right there, because that stuff is exhausting without a tool. Just so you know. So, get a tool, spin that in, and then you can put your piston, or you can put your caliper back on. It's got me wore out, man. The stupid thing was ridiculous. And then you just put your bolts back in and you're done. And just, pump your brakes before you head out on a trip.